Okay, we're going to be on page 299 of your book, so page 299, por favor. And we're going to be talking about one of the most fun topics we cover all year long, the present progressive. Make sure you watch the YouTube video that I'm going to link to this. It's hilarious. But anyway, we're going to talk about the present progressive. And basically that is when you're talking about something that's happening right now. It is ongoing. That's the progressive part. In the present. So it is going on right now. I am talking to you currently on this video, so it is ongoing. Okay. Now we have these in English. They're a be verb. Am is are, and then an ing ending. So am talking, are walking, is moving. Those are all present progressive in English. So we have them. And this is just how we're going to form them in Spanish. So you're going to use a form of a star. And then you're going to use the present participle of the verb. So we have two versions of that. AR verbs are going to use ando, and IR verbs are going to use yendo. Okay? Hopefully remember your star forms. Remember estoy, estás, está, estamos, and están. Okay? Those are your forms of a star. And then you're going to use ando and yendo, an ending with a verb, to create these present progressive verbs. So let's go ahead and look at the examples that we have here in the book for AR verbs. We have estoy bailando, which is I am dancing. Okay? No están cantando, they are not singing. So notice how I've taken bailar and I took off the AR ending and I added ando. Okay? Same thing here. I took cantar, I took off the AR ending and I added ando. So they are not singing. Okay? For ER and IR, you're going to do the same thing. You're going to take that ER and IR off and you're going to put yendo onto it. Okay? So, ¿qué están comiendo ustedes? And that would be, what are you, plural, eating? Here we have Enrique está escribiendo las invitaciones. So Enrique is writing the invitations. Okay, and you do the same thing. Take off the ending and put the ando or yendo and use the correct form of a star. Okay, if the stem would end in a vowel, the yendo changes to y, yendo. Okay, so if you think of leer, when you take the ER off, you have LE. It's going to end in that vowel. So in that case, instead of putting LEIE, because that's just too many vowels together, they changed the IE to Y. Okay? So you have Estás leyendo el periódico. Are you reading the newspaper? Okay? All right. Hopefully you understand that. If you have any questions, be sure to email me, okay, and ask. We are going to be doing an exercise. If you go ahead and turn to the end of the chapter where we have all those exercises at the end. Okay, I'm going to have you be on page 314, so 314, and we're going to do number 2, exercise 2. Okay, it says, en día festivo para las siguientes personas, completa las oraciones, indica que están haciendo en este momento con las formas correctas del presente progresivo. Después de cada oración, indica qué día festivo están celebrando. Okay, so basically you're completing these sentences about what everyone is doing in this moment, and we're going to use the correct form of the present progressive. Okay, look at the modelo. They have yo, and then you have a blank, pintar huevos. You're going to say, I am decorating eggs. And ne lindo, blank, comer dulces de chocolate is eating chocolates. Okay, so if I have yo, I'm going to use estoy. Pintar is an AR verb, so I'm going to say pintando. Nelida, that would be she, so I'm going to use está comiendo. She is eating. Okay. So, if you go ahead and look at número 1, let's do that one together. It says, los niños jugar con sus regalos y nosotros cantar. So, we're going to say los niños, so that's plural, they. You're going to use están. Don't forget the accent on your A. Están. And you're going to take jugar, which is an AR verb, and it's become jugando. So, the children are playing with their gifts. Y nosotros, so we're going to have the we there. We're going to say estamos. So we're going to take cantar and change it to cantando. Okay? So estamos cantando. And we are singing. Okay? Go ahead and do 2 through 7 there and send that to me, por favor.